Welcome to our GPU battle. Today, we are comparing two powerful graphics cards. The ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070 XTOC Edition and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 WINDFORCE OC. Both cards are designed for high-performance gaming and come equipped with cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070 XTOC Edition boasts a powerful 16GB GDDR6 memory, making it ideal for demanding gaming scenarios and high-resolution textures. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 WINDFORCE OC, with its 12GB GDDR7 memory, offers solid performance but may fall short in ultra-high settings. Both cards support PCIe 5.0, ensuring fast data transfer rates, but the RX 9070 XT is designed for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The ASUS TUF Gaming RX 9070 XT features military-grade components and a protective PCB coating, enhancing durability and thermal management. Its axial tech fans are designed to provide superior airflow. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 utilizes the WINDFORCE cooling system, which is effective but may not match the advanced cooling technology of the TUF card. This difference can impact thermal performance during extended gaming. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS TUF Gaming RX 9070 XT is priced at $799, reflecting its high-end features and performance capabilities. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE 5070 is more budget-friendly at $599, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. Ultimately, the choice may come down to whether you prioritize top-tier performance or value for money. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 9070 XTOC Edition and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 WINDFORCE OC have their strengths. The RX 9070 XT excels in performance and cooling technology, making it ideal for hardcore gamers, while the RTX 5070 offers great value for those on a budget. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.